Hey YouTubers, today I'll show you another camera I found, and it is a Ricoh made in Japan. Let's see what we got in here. Of course, I must admit I cleaned it already, but it has been tested, and we're looking at a Ricoh AF-500. It's a 35mm compact camera with a prime lens, with a Ricoh prime lens, 3.5 with 35mm focal length. And as you can see, the coating looks very precious. So I would expect very good pictures here according to the state of use, like this here. It is a good camera, and still the film inside, so I haven't tested it, but I would assume it is working. So we got a self timer here with indicator light. We got a slider for the camera on and off, most likely. I would assume as soon as the light is not enough, the flash pops up out. Here's the opening for the compartment of the film, and this is the indicator for flash, ready to go, out of focus, and the film advanced, which is this thing to rewind. You got the tripod socket here, and this is the compartment for the lithium battery 6-volt block, or 2 times CR123 or CR2, I guess 6-volt for sure. And it's working. Just leave it open so I don't have to use the toothpick to open it back up. I think that is the autofocus distancing or whatever, I don't know. So got a mirrored viewfinder, and you see the frame here, and in the middle is the indicator for autofocus. It's a real nice compact camera, and again, I would expect real good results here with that lens. And this here was real leather, or like leather, but it's the same like on the Yashica's FX series. They've been using, or contacts, they've been using real poor leatherette, so to say. So all in all, I think this is a real nice camera. It's got autofocus, of course, and the indicator for your counter, film counter, and this is the customs import export label, whatever. Some people, they like to have that on there. Yeah, so the film is most likely trash, I guess, but it will be tested soon, and I'm looking forward to this. Is a nice camera. So you see another Ricoh camera, and for that, thanks for watching, as always.